In today's video, I'm going to teach you upload PDF to Adobe Cloud. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to generate a secure link for your document directly from Adobe Acrobat, so you can share it without attaching files or worrying about email size limits. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Have the PDF you want to share ready in Acrobat so you can work with it right away. This process uses Adobe's document cloud behind the scenes, which means your file stays connected to Adobe's secure platform rather than being sent as a loose attachment. It's a cleaner, safer way to share, especially for work or client files. With your PDF open, look to the top right of the Acrobat window and click Share. Depending on your version, you might see the word Share or a small icon that looks like an arrow coming out of a box. Clicking it tells Acrobat you're ready to generate a link. This central spot was designed to keep all sharing options in one place, so you don't have to dig through menus. Next, choose Get Link. This is the option that creates a shareable URL for your PDF. Acrobat will prepare the file and connect it to Adobe Cloud. You may see a brief progress indicator while it sets everything up. That's normal. It's uploading and registering the document so it can be accessed securely. Once the link is ready, Acrobat will display a shareable URL. Go ahead and copy that link. You can paste it into an email, a chat, a project management tool, or anywhere you need to provide access. Recipients simply click the link to view the PDF through Adobe's viewer, which keeps formatting crisp and prevents common download issues. Because the file is referenced in Adobe Cloud, you maintain a single source of truth rather than passing different versions around. This method is great for secure sharing because the link leverages Adobe's infrastructure. You're not exposing your document on a random file host, and you're not sending sensitive attachments that can be forwarded endlessly. It also keeps your workflow streamlined. One click to create the link, one click to copy it, and you're done. If you ever don't see the Share button, try maximizing the window or making sure Acrobat is up to date. That interface element should be in the top right area. With that, you've successfully created and copied a secure Adobe Cloud link to your PDF. Fast, professional, and easy to share.